What's up guys, it's Marshn cubing, and today I'm going to show you some tips to help you get faster at LBL on Pyraminx. My first tip for you guys is to learn block building. So if you don't already know, block building is basically an X-cross just on Pyraminx. So the way you block build is when solving your first layer corners, you can solve some of your first layer edges. So looking at the scramble here, we can see that when I solve this edge, this piece will move back here, and if I solve this edge, we just have this. But if you want a block build, what you can do is you can solve this piece just normally, and then you can do a U prime here to put this edge in its position, and then solve the center. And now you have 2 or 3 edges. Okay, my second tip for you guys is to learn back inserts. So, for this case, most people would maybe rotate into a basic sledge insert like that. But if you were at this position here, you can actually just do a U prime and then do a back insert like this, and you don't have to rotate. My final tip for you guys is to learn basic L4E. So L4E is kind of like VLS on 3x3, where you solve your last edge and the last layer at the same time. And so what basic L4E is generally what you do is you solve one edge and put it in the back, and you do a basic insert to solve the rest. And generally that first edge you solve is the one in this slot. So what you do is you look for where this piece should go, and since it's green and red, it needs to go in this slot. So if I move this over here, I can match this up, and then do a U prime over here. Okay, and once you get to this place, you have a solved edge in the back, and a lot of people would just do a sledgehammer. So the way I recognize this one is you don't do a sledgehammer if this piece isn't solved right here. And the insert for this is like this. U prime, R, U, R prime. Basically that's doing is that's canceling into this out. So a sledge is actually the first part. And if you weren't to do a sledge, you can just finish the algorithm like this. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.